We are now selling brand new condos in the highly sought after Quarterpath community in Williamsburg, Virginia. You have an opportunity to purchase a thoughtfully designed condominium in a planned community that has amazing amenities. We offer trails and a dog park, as well as a clubhouse and pool that are under construction. And the best part is, Quarterpath is just minutes from shopping, dining, entertainment, and more. Forget what you think you know about condo living. Here is a sneak peek of what these homes will look like. Currently, we are offering 2 floor plans. However, soon we will have 5 floor plans for you to choose from. These homes offer up to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and come with a garage. Our first and second floor homes offer 1 floor living. One of our homeowners' favorite perk to condo living is the lock and go lifestyle. Your exterior maintenance and yard work are things of the past, meaning you will have more time to enjoy the community's amenities and great location with your family and friends. You can learn more about condo living and the Quarterpath community and brand new homes by visiting HHHunthomes.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.